Today's idiom is to start over with a clean slate. Sometimes sheet is used instead of slate. So what exactly does this idiom mean? Well, it means to ignore or put aside any mistakes, problems, or regrets from the past and start something again. Here's a clip from the film The Peanuts movie to show it used in context.
I just hope this new kid has never heard of me. He would know nothing of my past imperfections. It's not often you get the opportunity to start over with a clean slate. This time, things will be different.
And here are a few more examples to show it used in other settings. Number 1. I got suspended from work for a week, but after this, I'm going to start over with a clean slate because honestly, I can't afford to lose my job. Number 2. I know I hurt you, and I'm really sorry about that. But I was hoping you'd give us a chance to start over with a clean slate, and I promise that things will change. 3. You wouldn't believe how he changed his life after he got out of prison. He decided to start over with a clean slate, so he started a small business, got married, and now he has 2 great children. And that's it for another video, everyone. Thank you again so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and make sure the notifications bell is turned on. So, until next time, take care, be happy, and keep studying. Thank you. Bye.